In today's video, we're going to be looking at Windows 10's Smart Clipboard. In previous versions of Windows, you'd be limited to one copy for your paste, so you could copy an item, such as an image or a bunch of text, and paste it, but you'd have no record of other things that you've copied and pasted. Thankfully, in Windows 10, we have access to all the things we've copied by turning on this option. When we press the Windows key and the V key, it brings up our clipboard, and once turned on, it's going to say it's empty. So if we need to copy text or an image from a website, let's say if we want to copy this image here, we can copy the image and access it at any time later by pressing the Windows key and the V key, and the image is going to be saved there. If we also need to save text, we can copy that text and still have access to the image we saved earlier. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.